welcome to another vlog, another week, another vlog. Just been a bit of a busy weekend. We went out, my son and daughter-in-law came and we went out for something to eat, which was nice. It was such a nice day on Saturday weather-wise. The sun actually had a little bit of warmth to it, and it was like it had a real spring feel to it. Then Sunday, I'll insert a picture here. We had heavy snow, which did settle, but then it rained and then it washed it all away. Thank goodness. So I have been doing the unravelling of the jumper, but it isn't plied, so it's sort of, you can see it isn't plied. Can you see that? And trying to separate it is really difficult because you've got to kind of try and guess where you're snipping it off, and so then you start unravelling it and it breaks off in bits. So I've had quite a lot of wastage, but I'm still going to carry on with it. Got some nice cakes which I need to relax, ready for knitting. But you can still knit it even though it isn't plied. But yeah, I've got to try and work out what I think it will come up as a DK weight, worsted weight. Not sure. When I do the wrap test, it comes up as double knitting, but it feels more chunky to me, more chunky. But you see how it isn't plied. I mean, I've got a drop spindle, I could ply it, but I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that. So I've been doing a lot on my baby blanket because I want to get a push on with that, because baby's due in April. I need to do, I think I worked out 96 squares, just the little squares, not the patch made up, the block made up. 96, and I've done 40. So not quite halfway through. But yeah, just keep going, keep plugging away, and I'm enjoying doing it, and it's just so relaxing. It just so relaxed me. But there has been little niggles coming back of been thinking about my doll's house windows. I've had a rethink of, I want a sort of a lead effect, so I need to work out how I'm going to do that. But I'll show you if I manage it. But yeah, other than that, there's not been much else going on. It's very just slow going, and cat's lurking about. She's having a bit of a row with next door's cat. Skulking about. They do make you laugh, don't they? Hair's getting longer. I'm growing it out. It's curly. Oh, they bought me one of their house plants that they didn't want anymore. Another, what we call a money plant, which I've got one in the bathroom, so I've now got another money plant. And my winter cherry, it's got green fly on. How do you work that out in winter months? Green fly on indoor plants. So I moved it off the windowsill and separated it from the other plants, but I need to spray it. I don't know if I've got any spray, so I've just been kind of squishing them off at the moment. It was so nice this morning. I thought, oh, get out and prune the roses. And then I got caught up with knitting. And then it didn't happen, did it? No. Looking after a unit for my son and daughter-in-law, because I've only got a 2-bedroom property. So it's a record unit. I'm just going to look after it for them, but I'm going to put some of my stuff on it. That's looking okay, isn't it? One more tutty bits. Lots of tut. The girl has lots of tut. I do have a lot of tut. I think I will maybe there we go. That's it for this one. See you next time.